Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Time for Knowledge. Guys, today I am going to explain you a new chapter that is quadratic equation. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Our chapter quadratic equation. So what do we think by the term quadratic and what is equation? Actually, quadratic is a word that was derived by the Greek mathematician quadratum. Quadratum. Actually, it means square. And what is equation? It actually means equal. So by mixing the term, we got quadratic equation. Quadratic square means 2 and equation means LHS and RHS. This is equation. So what this 2 means here? Actually 2 means the highest degree often given equation is 2. What is degree? Actually degree is a highest power of an equation. So let's write the standard form of the quadratic equation. And one thing more, you have studied about the standard form of the quadratic polynomial in the chapter 2 polynomial. So I am writing the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. But if we take equals 0, then it's called the standard form of the quadratic equation. This is the main difference between quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. Let's recap what we have discussed. Firstly, we have discussed the name of the chapter, that is quadratic. Quadratic derived from the Greek and its meaning in Greek is quadrata, means square, means 2. And what is equation? Equation means equal LHS and RHS. And what is degree? It is the highest power of an equation and standard form of the quadratic polynomial. By this we have understood the standard form of the quadratic equation. It is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are constants and x here variable. Now let's discuss about the constant and variable. Actually constants are the term having their fixed value. They are fixed value. Fixed or you can say constant value. For example, numeric value 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And what are variables? Having no constant value. X, Y, Z and so on. So this is a basic concept of this chapter. Now move further. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Now let's discuss about the discriminant. What is discriminant? Actually discriminant is a which tells about the nature of the roots of an equation based on their coefficients. By putting this, we can easily find the nature of the roots of an quadratic equation based on their coefficients. Now let's prepare a table. making three columns, first and second. If d greater than 0, then natures of node. Real and unequal. Real and unequal. If d equals to 0, real and equal. And if 0 is greater than d, means discriminant, then no real roots. I hope till here you have understand the concept of the chapter. So now let's discuss which method I will use in this chapter to find the roots and the value of the given. First method is, it's very easy, by splitting the middle terms. The middle term. And second is the main method related to this chapter, completing the square method. Square. So thank you for watching this video. This is all about the basic concept of this chapter. In the next video, I will upload the question related to your board examination as soon as possible. If you like my video, please share, subscribe.